Flight check. Flood warning for a dam failure below Karupakulu Dam in the island of Maui until 5:45 p.m. At 2:42 p.m., emergency management reported the imminent failure of Karupakulu Dam. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding from the imminent failure of Karupakulu Dam. Source, emergency management. Impact, life-threatening flooding and significant property damage is expected in areas downstream from the Karupakulu Dam, including Hana Highway between Haiku and Pauvela. The nearest downstream area from the dam is Haiku and Pauvela. Stay away from streams, rivers, drainage ditches, and culverts, even if they are currently dry. Do not cross fast-flowing or rising water in your vehicle or on foot. Turn around, don't drown,